Okay, so to do this, the first thing we want to do is you'll notice that on these stairs, we have a rise and orthogonal back to this vanishing point, a rise, orthogonal, rise, orthogonal, rise, rise, orthogonal, rise, orthogonal. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our orthogonals going the other direction towards this vanishing point. So we have to do both the peaks and the valleys. So I'm starting at the top of the stairs and going back to my vanishing point. And then I'm going to go to the next, the valley, back to the vanishing point. Then the peak, back to the vanishing point. Back to the vanishing point. All right, so now that I have all of these orthogonal lines to that vanishing point, I need to make the rest of my building. So the easy one, right, obviously like the two things connect together for our house, so we'll do that. And then I'm gonna make a straight up vertical line to end the house. Now, if I want the steps to start here, I can start here or I can start at the end of the house. So I feel like I'm gonna start at the end of the house. So what I'm gonna do is, we can tell this side is an orthogonal, so the opposite side is going to also be an orthogonal. So I'm gonna go orthogonal. Then when I get to the next, I'm gonna make a vertical line. Then I'm gonna go orthogonal. And again, a vertical line. Orthogonal, vertical. And if you get confused, you can always look back on the other side and decide if you're in the right spot. And then we're gonna go orthogonal, and again, vertical. So if you look at it, you can kind of see the steps kind of go down. So now we're gonna do our truck. The front of the truck goes to this vanishing point, right? You can tell just by looking at it. There it is, there it is, there it is. Okay, so what that means is that the back of the truck is also going to use that vanishing point. So here we go. Now, if we know that this part of the truck goes back to that vanishing point, the cab, the top of the cab of the truck is also going to go to that vanishing point. So there we go. And then if this is the end of the windshield, we know that this side of the truck goes to that vanishing point, so the opposite side of the truck is going to go to that vanishing point. So what this has done is this has extended the cab of my truck. So what I need to do is I need to make the rest of this truck. But lucky for me, I already have it started. So there's that one. And then to stop the truck, if this is a vertical line, this is going to be a vertical line. And then if I'm going to do the bumper goes beyond it. And then it looks like this, and then it looks like it goes back a little bit. Excellent. And then if I want to, I can make, you know, some circles for the headlights. And for our windshield, the windshield is actually just going to be connecting those two together. And then I can make myself two kind of ellipses for my tires. And if I want to give them a girth, I can always go back to my vanishing point and then, you know, like so. Same thing here. All right, so there's my truck. Now, finally, we got this one on the bottom. So what's easy to note is that the bottom of these posts, this post, this post, and this post all line up, right? So I can make that. And then look at this. Parallel to it, this post and this post line up. And then the bottom of the little spheres line up. So if I do this, right, and I do this, I can easily tell that this one and this one are parallel to each other, and they go back to that vanishing point. And then obviously, like, these two go back to that vanishing point. So look, there they are lined up like this, and again, like this. Ooh, all right. So everybody lines up together. So now that I have these 4 parameters, notice this one goes to here and the back one goes to there, and then these 2 go there. All I have to do is make a bunch of parallel vertical lines, right? And then I can hump, 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 hump. And same thing going this way. And you know how to do this part, right? I don't need to demo all of it for you. Okay, that is how we do it.